Wow, that's nice. Congrats.
Ma mère est-ce que le monde entier m'entend? J'ai très peur, je souffre tellement. Ça me dit que oui. Même la nuit me fait pleurer. Même la journée me fait pleurer. Ouais. Au medalon de Canada matila odina la samie. Au medalon de bibe la matila odina la samie. Et banda son Isaac. Mon frère de toujours. Wasengae.
On se lève, tout le monde. Bunda botela suto mota sita pone. Bunda botela suto mota sita pone. De paino bona be kwandi na mone kosta batobanya enya nya ya mawonde nya mama ayo mande. Oh oh. Bunda botela suto mota itapon. Bunda botela suto mota sita pone. De paino bona be kwandi na mone kosta de moya nya 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 ya mawonde nya mama ayo mbae. Oh oh. Ma charrière, on ne fait que commencer. Ah. Levez tout le monde debout. Tout le monde. Chérie, amène-moi au 7e ciel, s'il te plaît.
I just want to say I'm very happy that this momentum initiative you run, not easy. Because when you stand here, you only think, oh, if I run, I'm going to be the failure. But they didn't think about that, but they took initiative and they did it.
Everyone for the time you have sacrificed to come in for this sport and barbecue event in preparation for the Cameroon 20th celebration. Right now, like this, we are about to rise up with the award for the football tournament, which has just ended in the favor of the youth. And following the award, we go And the following award we will be giving as this, we have the best player for the youth, we have we also have best player for the veteran, and then we also have the highest goal scorer, and the oldest veteran who has been participating frequently in this tournament. So after those are the 4 awards we have to give out to the football tournament. And before the handing in of this award, I would like to invite my president to represent a word or two to you guys. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for turning out massively today, and I believe we have had a good time. We have had enough to eat and enough to drink, and we have really had fun, and we hope that this spirit will continue. I want to send a special congratulations to our kids who were very active today, and we hope that this is just a start. Maybe it's the building block for future stars that will be our kids, because for us the dream is a dead dream now. We don't have any dream anymore. Our hope is on our kids. I also want to make a special congratulations to the ladies and everybody who walk across the field. They actually ran, and they ran good. And we hope that by next year it will become more competitive and we'll have better awards to give to everybody. I also thank the veterans who have been regular and those who are new and the young guys who we've had a nice day. Not to take much of your time, I want to make this point very clear that this event is organized by the Association of Cameroonians in Denmark, an association for which I'm the president. And we have had a very wonderful team in the executive and those who have assisted us to make this day what it is today. And I want you to also give a hand to the executive and to the ladies who have been doing everything to make sure that we have it. Then I want to remind all of us that this association is not an association that belongs to a number of people or to some executive members. If you are a Cameroonian, if you are married to a Cameroonian, if one of your parents is a Cameroonian, then you have full right of membership into this association. You can become the president of the association in the future. And all you need to do is to register to be a member of this association. And registration costs 150 kroner, membership costs 100 kroner, and we collect all the money at the same time. And our catering desk is ready. Anybody who wants to register to the association, you are welcome to join right away. Then we have a party for the New Project event next week Saturday. And we agree that the minimum is 200 kroners as a contribution. If you can give more, it will be helpful because we have many projects. And for married couples, the minimum is 300 kroners. Please, we appreciate all of us to come and have fun and also to go the extra mile to support our association. So, where is the sports coordinator, please? We still have a lot to eat. We still have some drinks.
Okay. Now we are opening champagne on behalf of all my brothers and sisters who are here. I love you all, and I wish that we should continue to be in one love, in one peace.
malambo emotabeya ye nabai moto ende moto mapange ende nabeya ye nabiyenje bene njamie nabai moto mangende moto mapele ende mamalande wonde ya bugete ndeyeyenye meni njamie nabai moto ende moto mapange ende nabeya ye